In today's video tutorial, you will see how to crochet simple to crochet flower with seed beads. Please join me, and for work I will use a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn and 1.4mm crochet hook and seed beads. Before the work, I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. Make a chain of 7 for the foundation ring. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. It is going to be a round of half double crochet with seed bead. I draw seed beads. Before the work, I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Make chain of 2 and pull it. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the ring. Make half double crochet. 1. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the ring, make half double crochet. 2. While making my half double crochet stitches, I remove a long piece of yarn. 3. 4, 5, and so on, till you will get 12 half double crochet stitches. Once I have done 12 half double crochet with seed beads, let's complete this round with me. I skip 2 chains, insert the hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch and pull it. My first round is ready. Let's crochet the next round. It is going to be round 2. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make a slip stitch, and it is going to be a round of petals. Let's crochet the first petal. For this, make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Then yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. I did treble crochet into the same stitch. Now I show you how to crochet boolean block stitch. I turn the work, yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the treble crochet and pull up a loop to the level of the chain. My first string is ready. In total it should be 8 of them. First one is ready. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop. I hold all loops with my finger, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. My boolean block stitch is ready. Make a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. As I did on the opposite side. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make a slip stitch. My first petal is ready. Here how it looks. I'm going to work with slip stitches between petals. Make a slip stitch through the next stitch and slip stitch through the next stitch, and let's repeat my petal. Make chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then make treble crochet into the same stitch and ball and block stitch, and make 8 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch into the same stitch. Then 2 slip stitches, so 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains for the third petal. I straight up my 2 petals. Here what I have at this point. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 of them. I am done 4, you need to crochet 2 more. Once I have done the last petal, make a slip stitch that I did before between petals, and to complete this round by make a slip stitch, and in the same time I finish this round. Let's crochet the next round. It is going to be round 3. Make a chain, work into the chain space, make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once I have done 5 single crochet, draw seed beads and work with these seed beads. Yarn over the hook. There are 2 tops in the ball and block stitch. Make 2 half double crochet and make the second half double crochet into the same stitch. Then make picot on the top on the last half double crochet. For this, make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Work with a slip stitch into 2 loops of the half double crochet. My picot is ready. I just need to do 1 half double crochet through the next stitch. I'm done 3 half double crochet. I remove the seed beads, make 5 single crochet into the chain space. I insert the hook into the chain space and thread. This is my thread. This is visible on the back side. I insert the hook around the chain space and thread. Make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's crochet the trim for the next petal. Make 5 single crochet. 1, I will crochet faster. 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw seed beads. Make the first one. Make 3 half double crochet. Make the second one into the same stitch. Then chain of 4 for the picot. as I did in the first time. Chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Make slip stitch. Make half double crochet. Then half double crochet. Make 5 single crochet into the chain space and thread. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. I straight up my 2 petals. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete it. Let's complete round 3 with me. Once I have done the last petal or last round of trim, I skip the chain stitch as I did before. Insert the hook into the first stitch. I skip the chain, make a slip stitch, pull it to secure the yarn by making a chain, and I already cut off my yarn. If you would like to sew your small project to another one, you should leave a long piece of yarn, but in general you should remove a long piece of yarn along the stitches using the sewing needle or a crochet hook. I will add a bead to the center of this flower, like this. I will sew this bead to the center. And as I told you before, you should remove long piece of yarn on the back side. Let's look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. It consists of only 3 rounds. It's not difficult to make. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. If you don't like seed beads, you just make stitches without seed beads and you will get amazing simple flower. It could be like a separate motif or a part of big project. And bye!